Good morning to all. Can you hear me? Am I audible? A very good morning. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, Abigail, Jahuan, Anna, Ezekiel, who didn't
Good
join.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. A very good morning to all. How you all doing? Good. Very good. That's great. Everyone turn on the camera. Jahuan, Abigail, Joshua, Ezekiel. Everyone turn on the camera. Good morning, Abigail. A very good morning. Joshua, so you came to India?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why there is no night. Okay. So, so I hope now you recovered with your studies. I mean, not from your health. I mean, health is good, but from studies also. So you can go and check out the videos. Okay. So if you will type NXT channel piano, then you can check out any video. Okay. The live streams we have. So like right now, the two videos we have done. I forgot to change the name of and this that thing. Tomorrow I will sit and I will do all the thumbnail and all. But what was I'm saying that you can go check out that videos. You have video link now, so you can go and check out the live video sessions, and then if you have doubt, just ask. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I wasn't able to attend.
Yesterday you were.
I wasn't able to attend class.
Hmm. Okay. Jahoan, good morning. Ezekiel, good morning.
Morning.
Anna, you are late. Now you to give penalty. Okay. So now today we will learn that we learned yesterday crab diagram. Okay. Now today we will learn that if that's like in crab diagram, when we will use crab diagram, when the perimeter is given. Yes, when the perimeter is given, we will use crab diagram. But if the sum of two sides is given, then what we have to do? We will check it out. So I'll just write the question for you. We will not be shamed. We will not be alone. Jesus, you are here. Okay, so this is the question. So you need to construct a triangle in which the angle B is given, which is 45. That's great. And the AB plus AC is given. So Joshua, do you have geometry box with you right now?
Yes, sir.
A compass, scale, everything, pencil and everything. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to draw this diagram. So how will you draw this? So first of all, we will draw a rough diagram for that. Like I just know that a triangle ABC is given, ABC is given, and this B is 45 degrees. This is given. Only this thing is given. Like it is given that the sum of two sides. Sum of two sides means this AB plus AC. If you will do, you will get answer as 8.3. So now you have to make this. So first of all, we will, and BC is also given. Yeah, BC is also given to 3.6. So the first is this thing only. We have to draw like, okay, I will tell it to you that please draw this diagram at the bottom of the page. Okay. Like it should be at the bottom of the page. Whatever the diagram which we are making, it should be at the bottom of the page. Otherwise, it will go out of the page. Okay. I'm repeating again. Don't do on the middle or on the top. Just make this at bottom of the page. Okay. So first of all, you have to draw this. You have to draw this BC, which is how much? 3.6. Come on, quickly draw it. Everyone, quickly draw it.
So, so we should measure the exact in the scale.
Yeah, exact in the scale and draw the line BC, which is 3.6 centimeter. Done? Okay. Now, now draw 45 degrees. So I told you how to draw 45 degree. First, just make a semicircle. Indicate on the camera, please. Then make 60 degree. Okay. Then 120 degree from 60, 1 hour from 120, 1 hour. Okay. Then draw a straight line of 90 degree. And I know that 90 degree half is what? 45 degrees. So I have to make angle bisect. Joshua, did you understand? No.
Yes, sir. But what is the or should we use the protractor for that one?
Which part better?
The curve for the 90 degrees.
Hmm.
We have to use a protractor, right?
Protector. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come.
Okay.
So with protector, you have to put your tip on B and make a semicircle. Now, without disturbing the compass, put it on this circle and then make an arc of 60 degree. You did this.
No, sir. The network broke, so I wasn't able to.
See, first, you do you make semicircle while putting the tip of the compass on B? Do you make the semicircle?
Oh no, I'm doing it.
Could you do it? We are waiting for you. Hey Prana, tomorrow is your class, okay? Bring your doubts. 9:20, I guess. Nine. Tell Anushka also, okay? Okay. Yes, Joshua.
Oh yes, sir. I didn't get the. How do you take the angle 90 degrees?
Uh, I put the tip on the B, and then I make a semicircle like this. Okay.
Oh,
You
with the
make this
compass.
semicircle. Yeah.
Okay.
Could you do it? Done?
So there was a similar wait, there was a similar sum in our homework, right?
No, it's not that much because in that three sides added, no, then it become
No, the
8.6.
seventh one is like this. So I wasn't able to do it.
Okay, the seventh one. Okay, okay, sometime. Yeah, I guess I read that question.
You had given us 1 to 9. So 1 to 6
No, no,
will be
no.
a
He had given 1 to
I
6.
Yeah, I give only 1 to 6, 7 and 8, 9. I just erase it. And Joshua, Joshua. Okay. Now you when you make the semicircle, so from the line segment and the semicircle meet, put your tip here without disturbing the compass. So you don't have to change the compass length, and then just put the tip on this and cut an arc on the semicircle. Put the tip on
The
this.
compass.
Yeah. You don't have to disturb the compass. Put the tip on this and then just cut the angle.
Okay.
Now this angle is basically called as 60 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Now again, without disturbing the compass, put an arc on this. Again semicircle. Now this will become 120 degree. Okay. So
Okay.
now put again point on this 60 degree, and then cut an arc up like this.
With a compass?
Yeah, with the compass, without disturbing the compass. Put the tip of the compass here, and with the help of pencil, make an arc here. In the same way, the next is put the tip here and then make an arc like this. So you got a cross every
Yes.
time which I gave in my exam. Yes. Now
I got it.
join this B and the cross. Now it will take 90 degrees.
Okay.
Now everyone make 45 degree. Okay. Now for the 45 degrees, just open the compass. You can disturb your compass. Okay. So put the point on here, Joshua.
The
Put the tip
compass?
of the compass. Yeah, put the tip of the compass here
Okay.
and make an arc here like this.
Another arc.
Yeah, like this. In the same way, make an arc like this from this point. And then just draw the line. Now, guys, this line should be extended till the top. Okay. Now, have you understood till here? Any problem? No problem. Now, what you have to do? Now, just measure this much 8.2 from the scale. Measure 8.2 from the scale quickly. Measure 8.2 from the scale. Measure 8.2 from the scale. And then cut an arc on this BK line like this. Joshua, did you understand? Yes or no? Measure 8.8. Like this is your ruler. So from that, you have to measure 8.8, 8.2, and then put the tip of the compass on B, and then cut an arc like this.
Oh, in 8.2, if you measure 8.2, we have to put an arc there.
Yeah, put an arc when you will put the tip of the compass on B.
Okay.
Have you understood? Now name this as P. P for pot. And just join the P and C like this. We need a triangle ABC. Right now we got PBC. So it means that this is not a final exam, final diagram. So for that, you have to make perpendicular bisector of PC. Make the perpendicular bisector of PC. How will you make it, Joshua? See, now this is the length PC, the line segment PC is there. Okay, put your compass tip on C quickly. Put your compass tip on C. Open more than half of the length. Like this is CP length, no? So open it till here. More than half. And then make a arc up and arc down like this. arc up and arc down. In the same way, without disturbing the compass. Yes, Joshua.
So should we also put the compass at B to make the other arc?
No. First is as C, the second as P, because we are making perpendicular bisector of CP, na? So first is as C, the second as P. P for pot.
Okay.
Then make this arc.
It's not coming.
It's not coming. How?
Same here, sir.
How? Show me a diagram. So you have to make the CP bisector. Enough. It's okay if it will away from the triangle or inside the triangle or outside the triangle. No problem.
No, I mean like, yeah, it's one of it is coming inside the triangle, but the other side is not meeting and not making a cut.
So you have to like make the large cut so that they can meet.
Is it okay if it meets under the triangle?
Yeah, it's okay. You just need a cut. It's okay. Anywhere else, no problem in that.
Sir, can you explain the part you were teaching right now? AB plus AC equals AC.
Which one?
How do you
This
do
one?
that? Yes.
See, I know that AB plus AC is 4.2 centimeter. So I make the 45 degree first. When I make the 45 degree first, then on this line, I measure 8.2 and I cut it on the BK line and make it as P. And then I join CP. So when I join CP, then I take a perpendicular bisector of it, and then I joined it perpendicular bisector. These two cuts which I got, I just joined it like this. Okay. So now on the BP, I got this line. Now take it as A and then just join this AC with it. So this will your ABC triangle. Joshua, did you understand? No.
So I had a bit problem with the measurements, but now I
Which part?
understood. I had a bit of problem with the first one, the compass, or the B, the curve, the first arc.
Okay.
But
So
now I
you're
got.
not
From
able to
where
make
do we
45.
make the perpendicular bisector, sir?
Add CP. The line CP you have to make perpendicular bisector.
Sir,
No, from which point do we
Yeah.
draw the arc?
No. No. Abigail, I'm saying
Yes.
CP. C for cat, B for ball,
but
not
it's not reaching that, sir. C is making an arc here, but B is only coming up to here.
How it can be possible? It will be up now. Anna, you did it? Can you show it? Abigail, please see that what she did.
Yes, sir.
See, it's correct. I will put a spotlight. Just give me a second, Hannah. Yeah. Can you see it, everyone? Brother, what is? Yeah. Yeah. Hannah, little up. Hannah, little up. See, she made CP. The CP which she made, she did the perpendicular bisector of it. That. Understood. Now Abigail did the perpendicular bisector of BC, not BC, the CP line. take the line CP and then make perpendicular bisector of it.
Okay, sir.
Understood, Abigail? No, still not understood.
I understood, sir. I should take more than half of CP.
Yeah, CP. Then you have to put the compass on C and then make an arc. And in the same way, you have to compass on P and then make an arc like this.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood? Understood or no? Okay, I'm editing this. Now you guys do this question.
So the pencil should be shorter than the needle, right?
Yeah, the compass.
Oh, okay.
Done? Joshua, you know how to make 60 degree?
So can you do this question?
Okay. See, first of all, you have to draw the rough diagram. The rough diagram is very important. So I will make the rough diagram and it is given that it's 60 degree. So this is 60 degree and the base is given which is 5 centimeters. So I am making with as 5 centimeters. Okay. Now it is given that BC plus AC is 9.8 centimeters. Okay. So first of all, I will make a base of 5 centimeter with the help of ruler. Could you do it with me? Could you do it with me? Make a base of 5 centimeters and name it as like this become A B C. So this is make a base of AB which is 5 centimeters. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now make a semicircle on A of any size, no matter of any like it should be big or small, just any size. Make a semicircle like this on A.
With the compass on
Yeah,
A, right?
with the compass. Yeah, like put your tip of the compass on A and then make a semicircle like this. Okay. Now without disturbing the compass, like put your tip of the compass here without disturbing the compass. Put the tip of the compass here and then cut the semicircle like this. Joshua understood? No.
Yes, sir.
Now the first angle which is created is 60 degree, and we have to make 60 degree only. So we made it. So now just join the A and the cut on the semicircle like this. Quickly do
That's
it,
it.
quickly do it.
So that's how it'll become 60 degrees.
Yes, good. Now measure 9.8. Quickly measure 9.8. I'm coming in 2 minutes, okay? Quickly measure 9.8. And then put the tip of the compass on B and then just cut the K line. Yeah. Joshua done? Till here? Did you cut an arc on BK? Yes?
Oh, on the A, on the arc?
Yeah. Yeah. On
Yes.
the like put the compass and cut the arc and name it as P. It should be 9.8 centimeter, okay? Now join BP. Quickly join BP like this.
So how do you cut the arc? Is there any, how do you use the measurement
Yeah.
for it?
I told you no, to measure the 9.8 compass from the ruler. Okay, measure 9.8 from the ruler. Put the tip on A and then cut the arc on K, like AK. Quickly do it. Ezekiel done? You make this? You have some issue, Ezekiel? Okay, Ezekiel, there is no perpendicular bisector yet. Where is the perpendicular bisector?
With perpendicular bisector, sir.
Okay, you make till here, which I did, no?
Yes.
Your this centimeter from P to A should be 9.8 centimeter.
Yeah,
Remember
that
this, okay?
I um I just highlighted it with a pen. I asked it. I did it there.
Okay. Now, now we have to make a perpendicular bisector of BP side. Which side? BP side. This BP side you have to make perpendicular bisector. So Joshua, how will you do it? Just put the tip of the compass on B. B for ball. Quickly, quickly put it.
Okay.
Put it. Quickly put it. And open more than half. Open more than half. Joshua, Ezekiel, do it with me. Open more than half, and then cut the arc here and here. Quickly, quickly. Now, without disturbing the compass, put the arc here and here. Joshua, understood? No.
So I didn't get
Sir,
how you did that one.
we are supposed to make the arcs from the point P and B, right?
Yeah, B and P. Yeah, correct.
So then, the first one we did, the second one, from B to the arc where we made P, it's not connecting. Like, should I curve it until it connects?
Show me a diagram. How it's not connecting. Show me, Jigal. Hmm. And the up part, where is the up part? Jigal. Okay, the right side is good. Okay, but the left side, you have to make it till around here, not downward, around here. Then only it will meet. Joshua, done?
So then how do you make the cross?
See, first from the B, you make this arc like this, and then from the P, and from the P, then make the arc like this. The cross will come.
Also from the P.
Yeah, without disturbing the compass. You don't have to disturb the compass. And then just join these two arcs like this. You will get the point which is named as at C, and then just join these two lines CB. So this will be your answer. Understood? No. Hannah, did you understand? No.
Is this correct?
Yeah. For the correction, just measure the side AC and CB. The sum should be 9.8. Quickly do it and tell me is it correct or not. Measure AC and CB and check that is it correct or not. Jehovan, turn your camera, please. Hannah, you getting it? Abigail, you getting correct?
Measuring, sir.
Okay. A for Anna. Okay. Jehovan, you getting correct? Jehovan, you getting correct? Mute. I didn't hear anything.
I think I made some mistake somewhere.
Sorry, say it again. Okay.
I think I
So
made a
next
mistake.
diagram. Oh, you did a mistake? Okay, no problem. We always do mistakes. We have a bondage with mistakes. Yeah, no problem. Okay, next question. When the angels cry. You are always here, holy, holy forever. Okay, Now, to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is this and this is this and this is this. Now, remember one thing, because in the question difference is there. So it will be a little bit different. So first of all, we'll draw the rough diagram. So I'm making the rough diagram for you guys. This is B and C. This is 4 and this is 60. Now quickly make a 60 degree. Now you guys know how to make 60 degree. First make 4 degree, 4 centimeter line. Okay, I'm again telling it to you. Draw at the bottom of the copy. Okay, and make 60 degree like this is 60 and this is 60, and then just draw this line. This is 60. We'll draw it. Joshua, did you understand? Joshua,
Yes, sir.
did you understand everything? When there's nothing good in you. Oh, I'm running to your arms. I'm running to your arms. The riches of your love will always be enough. Nothing compares to your embrace. Okay, now you tell me, guys. You did it till here. Now, again, measure, because 1.2 is given. Then measure 1.2. Quickly measure 1.2 from the compass. And on this BK, just cut an arc like this. It's bit same, not all same, but bit same. Quickly measure 1.2 and then just join PC. Uh-huh. My heart will say no other name. Yes, yes, Abigail. Abigail, please tell me, Abigail.
Yeah, sir. The arc, we should cut it from point B, sir, or the arc.
Yes, yes, B. It should be 1.2. Anna, bottom the camera, please. I request Zoom to lock the video system so that they cannot turn it off. Okay. Sorry?
They can't do that. Our privacy.
Privacy. You guys use this rule of just every time tan 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 tan. Why? I mean, it give you satisfaction. Okay, I turn it off.
So
I now turn
privacy
it
is
off.
okay.
What's the privacy? Nothing is there. Mama is doing her work in kitchen, and you guys were. Okay. Now, in the same way, we have to make a perpendicular bisector of PC. Joshua, you did it till here? Joshua?
Yes, sir. I just did it.
Now you have to. Very good. Now you have to make a perpendicular bisector of this PC. How will you make it? Just put the tip on the P, open more than half, cut up and down.
With the
Understood, Joshua?
compass.
With the compass. Again, I'm saying on the P, open more than half of the length of PC and then cut up and down like this.
Sir, how much should PD be? Is it like 1.2 centimeters?
Yeah, BP should be 1.2 centimeter. Yes, good.
So and PC.
PC no, I mean it's not
Sir,
compulsory. Ah, yeah,
we have to like with the compass we measure 1.2 and the draw the arc on the line, right?
yeah. On the line, this one on this like from foot compass on P, and then
It's okay.
B,
Can you check
and then
mine?
cut
It's
an arc.
coming like
Show me. Yeah, it's okay. No problem. It's okay. Joshua, done. You make the perpendicular bisector. Now
So,
again, oh, yeah.
so we have to put needle on B to make the P thing, the P
Yeah,
curve. Okay.
P curve, which should be 1.2 centimeter, then join PC and then make a perpendicular bisector on PC. Then, like this. Then, just draw this line like this. And you have to extend this line also. Wherever these two lines meet will be the point A. Like mine is meeting here. So this will become my point A, and then just join AC.
Mine is not meeting on the page, sir.
That's why I said you have to be at the bottom of the uh, copy book. I told you. But you understood, guys? No. Still some have doubt. Please ask me. A for Anna? Anna, do you understand? You got it?
is this correct?
You got it? Yes. Good. Good, Ezekiel. Abigail, got it?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Hmm. Jawan, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Joshua,
Yes, I
got
got
it?
it.
Okay. So now we'll end the maths class. In 5 minutes, we'll start a science class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Abigail and Anna.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
I
5 minutes break, come back. Okay, good. Okay, come back, guys. Okay, so we were learning about human impact on environment. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning to all. So yesterday there was no science class. It is good for you guys. So we didn't miss anything. Jahoan, Joshua, everything on the camera. Yesterday there was no science class, but today there's a science class. So we did till I guess cyclone we did. Earthquake we have to start, no? Yes, Hannah? Yeah. So yeah. So earthquake. Now earthquake is happen. For example, now understand like this. Just let me put me on spot like that. Yeah. Now listen, guys. For example, now this is one tectonic plate. Now, what are the tectonic plates? Basically, our Earth crust is made up of many tectonic plates. Okay, like different tectonic plates are there, and because of the movement in that tectonic plate, the movement occurred led them to be a earthquake. Now, for example, this is one, and this is another. So when these tectonic plates move or overlap on each other, will help. Like there'll be then earthquake will be there. Understood, guys? So earthquake is happening because of the rolling or sudden shock of the Earth's surface, and it happens because of the movement the tectonic plates. Understood? Like for example, this is Earth crust. Okay, this is Earth crust. Above that, like my face is Earth crust, and in below that there is a movement in the tectonic plates, and the movement in the tectonic plates there will be change in the tremble will occur, the quake will come. Understood? Yes or no? Joshua, please read this earthquake paragraph.
So, the earthquakes.
Yeah.
Earthquake is a common phenomenon. It is the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the Earth's surface. We are aware of the serious damages caused by the earthquakes to life and property. At Bhuj and Anjar near Ahmedabad and some other places in Gujarat on 26 January 2002. Earlier, Latur in Maharashtra had almost has also experienced a similar natural disaster on 30th September
So
1990.
basically, in earthquake, it's a shaking, rolling, and sudden shock comes from the Earth's surface. Earthquakes have great intensity, shaking buildings, loosen the bricks, and falling the walls, and to injure people and property. So now the intensity of the earthquake is measured by an instrument is called as seismograph. Or the study of the earthquake is called as seismology. And the intensity of the earthquake is related to the amount of energy when the rock gives away the force. Example, So what was I'm saying, that the impact of the impact of the earthquake led, there is a friction between the tectonic plates, and because of that friction, the tectonic plates, the earth surface trembles and shakes a lot. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So most of the problems of the earthquake result is due to the falling object of debris and because. So basically, you can see that in the picture. In that picture, you can see that here the road got collapsed. It's break. So this happened because of the earthquake. So Sismo. Okay, now listen, guys. There is a confusion in the Richter scale and seismograph. Seismograph is the instrument. It's like a pin. It's like a pin on the paper. Like it's that instrument type of that instrument. And when the earth trembles, the pin remains straight, and because of the paper shakes with the earthquake, so that we can get a graph. So that graph is called a seismograph, and with the help of Richter scale, we measured the graph that how much it came: 7.1, 2.1, 5.7, 9.8, like this. Understood? So Richter scale is the scale on which the earthquake is measured, and seismograph is the instrument that measures the earthquake. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now, preventive measure and method. So, what are the preventive measure and method? So, you should the building, the road, dams, bridge should be earthquake proof, adopted. Okay. Or whenever the earthquake come, go in a open area. Don't go in the, if you are in the building, just go under the table, so that if building fall, so the impact should be on the table, not on you. Okay. Or if you are moving, like the first preference is to go outside in a open garden area or in open land area. Okay. You should away from the electric pole. You should away from the building, because it can fall. No, there's no guarantee of that it won't fall. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So now it is written after the earthquake. So now when the earthquake comes, after that some short quake also come. Like short waves will come. The earthquake is the big wave which comes at once, and after some times, like after like 8 to 9 times, the small waves will also come. Okay, so after earthquake is also not safe. Okay, like in Nepal area, they have a lot of earthquake, and if one big will come, then they have 6 to 8 small earthquake will also be there. So after earthquake, keep calm, switch on the radio and TV, and obey any instruction that you hear it on. Okay, because they know that okay, another earthquake is coming or something worse and will happen. And remove the inflammable products, because with the earthquake there is a gift from earthquake is fire also be there, because of the like if alcohol is there, some chingari will come or something will happen, so we have to away from the inflammable object. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay, now what is forest fire? Forest fire is basically the fire in the forest. Okay. So, forest fire has become a major cause of concern, because it threatens human habitat and deprive the human from accessing the forest resources. Basically, for how forest fire happen, like it has many theories. How, like sometimes, if dry leaves are there in deciduous forest, deciduous forest. Deciduous forest is the forest in which shedding of leaves happen. The shedding of leaves happen means they shed their leaves at the time of autumn, and in that the leaves become very dry. Now sometimes in the dry leaves, if sunlight is coming because of heat or because of something, the leaf got smoke, and when the leaf got smoke, the trees got smoke. So like this, the forest fire happened. Okay, forest fire can be happen into three categories: natural, okay, or sometimes lightning also. Lightning, as I told you, like lightning happen because of the huge amount of energy. The dry trees or dry leaves get fire. Okay, forest fire is caused by heat generated in the litter and the other biomass in summer and dry season. As I told you, heat generation by the litter and other biomass and the human negligence. Like sometimes if we are in forest and without like we just doing camping, and when we are doing camping, we didn't turn off that fire and we are just moving away. So because of that also it can go to the some dry leaves, and because of that the forest can catch up with the fire. Understood? So these are the three ways. Effect of forest fire. What are the effect of forest fire? Forest is degrading because the forest fire will not only remove the trees but also the habitat of the animals. So animals are also they are also burning in that forest fire. Their habitat is also burning in the forest fire. So there's a loss of ecosystem also. Understood? So loss of vulnerable timber, reduction in forest cover, degradation catchment areas. Other environmental impact of forest fire are global warming. So because of that, a huge amount of heat is trapped inside the atmosphere, and there's a depletion in the ozone layer. So these things happen when the forest fire happen. Preventive measure. What is the preventive measure? So get dry litter, drying twigs, leaves removed from the summer season. When summer season will come, you know that because of heat, the summer season, the dry leaves can catch up with the fire. So remove that catch these things. Or call a fire brigade. So sometimes I don't know you remember this thing or not. In Australia recently, I guess in 2021 or 2022, there was a fire in the Australia, the forest fire was there. It was uncontrollable. Barely they control it, but it was very huge loss in Australia for the habitat and the forest. I think it's in Australia or in Amazon. I'm forgetting the place, but it was very loss for the humankind, for the trees and the animals. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Then move farm animals and movable goods to a safe place. Do not throw smoldering BD cigarette. Like sometimes in forest they used to smoke and they just throw it like this. They are not turning it off, but they are just throwing like this. So it may have a great bad impact on the ecosystem because if there is no forest fire, I mean, because of the forest fire, many animals will die, their habitat will die, they will have to migrate, they have to go to the next place, hunting might happen, or forest fire, the trees, the great loss of trees, timber like this happen. So it gives a great negative impact on the environment. Joshua, did you understand? Ezekiel, did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now tsunami. Okay, tsunami. Um, I'll show you one video. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. So you should know that Japan is very high prone area for these things. Like Japan they have lot of earthquake and lot of tsunamis there. So in 2011, it was a major disaster in Japan, and I will show the video of that. So what happens in the oceans when earthquake happen? In the ocean when earthquake happen, so because of earthquake, the water will shiver, and the water will form of some waves, and the waves will look like it's a very small wave, but the continuous will come. So that makes a tsunami. So I'll just show you the video. Just give me a second. Mhm. Okay. Now please see this video. Okay.
All across northern Japan, they felt it. A violent, magnitude 9.0 earthquake on March 11, 2011. It was centered about 80 miles offshore, and tsunami warnings went up immediately. In coastal cities, people knew what to do next: run to higher ground. It's from these vantage points on hills and in tall buildings that incredible footage was captured. In Kesanuma, people retreated to a high-rise rooftop and could only watch in horror as tsunami waves inundated their city, knocking buildings into rubble and mixing into a kind of tsunami soup filled with vehicles, building parts, and contents. Seawater cascaded over sea walls and into cities. This video shows the water rushing over an 18-foot seawall into Kamaishi City. The seawall here was the world's deepest and largest, but not enough for the...
Can you see the waves? The waves are too uncontrollable that the van, if you saw the video, the van was floating in that. Okay, that is too high pressure. When we will see the wave in the starting, it will look like small waves are coming, small waves are coming. But with that small wave, the strong force will come and it gave a great destruction. So it happened in Japan after the earthquake. The earthquake bring the tsunami. If it is near coastal area, the tsunami, there's a chance of tsunami in that area. Understood?
magnitude of the March 11 disaster. It was the largest quake ever known in Japan and one of the 5 largest recorded in the world. More than 28,000 people are confirmed dead or missing.
You can see that there is less brick work in Japan and more these types of houses are there. Basically, why they made it, it's not that they don't like the brick house, but the reason behind that is they have a lot of earthquakes. And because they have a lot of earthquakes, their roof should be light enough. If the earthquake will come, if they have a brick, if the ceiling will fall, then they have a great damage. That's why they make house of wood or of the light material. Understood, guys?
When 2 tectonic plates push together under the sea, the resulting earthquake sends an enormous burst of energy up through the ocean, displacing enormous quantities of water. With the upward motion, a series of waves expands in all directions. In deep water, these waves travel fast, up to 500 miles an hour, but only reach a height of a few feet. A passing ship might not even notice. But as the waves enter shallow waters, friction with the ocean floor lowers the wave's speed, but raises their height. This video is from a Japan Coast Guard ship confronting a tsunami wave in shallow water on March 11. And a rare view from the air, video of a tsunami wave approaching the shoreline.
See, in this you can see that this is the tsunami waves. Okay, it's very less, looking like it's nothing. It's like like in beach when the water comes, like small tide will come and touches the beach, collecting like this. But it has a great impact. See that video.
In Japan, some tsunami waves reached as far as 3 miles inland. Japan may be the most seismologically studied country in the world, and with more than 1,200 high-precision GPS stations, a geophysicist at the University of Alaska used the data to create a visualization of the March 11 quake. The waves of displacement that you see were moving as fast as 5 miles per second. In this photo, the ripples of tsunami waves are seen moving upstream in the Naka River at Hitachi-Naka City. New technology left an enormous amount of visual evidence for study in years to come, and can perhaps help us better understand the power of earthquakes and tsunamis and prevent loss of life in the future.
Did you understand the meaning of tsunami? How it happens? How the waves form? Because of the earthquake. Mostly it's because of the earthquake only. Okay. Sometimes high tide can also be there, but tsunami is mostly because of the earthquake. Understood, guys? Did you understand? Got an idea? Ezekiel, Jehoan, Jeshron, Joshua, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. Now, you can see that video, like the here it is also written. The earthquake, tsunami, nuclear radiation threat is in Japan, because Japan is very most prone area. It's called as ring of Pacific Ocean, a Pacific Ocean ring fire. Something like name is there. That is also some of the most prone area of the earthquake and tsunami. And in the same way in Japan, you can see that 11 March 2011, they have a great tsunami and the earthquake was there in Japan. Okay. Now landslide. So landslide, in monsoon season, because of the continuous rain, because of the continuous water, the soil get loosened up, and because soil get loosened up in the hilly slope area, they become very unstable and the landslide occur. Okay, so a landslide is basically because of brings soil erosion also. Like for what happens if trees are there, trees will bind the soil. Okay, but if trees are less, then what will happen? Because of the slippery, unstable hilly slope area, because of the continuous water, the land will fall. Understood? The land will fall from high hilly area to low hilly area. Understood? Yes or no? Then cloudburst. You know cloudburst. Cloudburst is happen because if cloud can hold the water. If cloud is not able to hold the water, it will rain. But sometimes what happens because of the more pressure, the cloud will burst, and because of the cloud will burst, the heavy rain will come for 2 to 3 days and 5 7 days, and because of that, flood can happen. So this is called as cloudburst, and it happens in Uttarakhand. I remember that thing. In Uttarakhand, the cloudburst happened, and because of that, flood came, or they're not able to eat something because of the cloudburst. Understood? Preventing measure and management. So, what is the preventive? It's not human hands. We can't control this. Like we can't control earthquake, we can't control tsunami and all these things. It's in the mother nature. Okay, so we can't control it. We can just call it for the help. We can wait for the help. Okay, like this. From this, I got one story. Okay, so it's not related to this, but I want to share one story. So what happened? That a man in that city, okay, he's a believer. He was very believer. Okay, so he was believing in God, and He prayed very well. He go to church. He very well, and he believed in God very well. Okay. So what happened? Man, in that city, flood came. So everyone says this, what will you do? What will you do? What will you do? What will happen now? So he says that my God will help me and he will save me. Okay. So now the RPF Jawan came to the city and everyone got saved. And the man was also there. So RPF Jawan came in the boat and said that please sir, please come on our boat and we will take it to you to the next shore so that you can get aid. So the man came, no, 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 no. I am believing in my God. God will help me. Okay. So he said, okay. Then one more time, the helicopter came and he said, sir, the flood is going very worse. Now, please give me your hand. I'll take to the helicopter so that I can give you aid. So he said, no, 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 no. Even the flood will come or not, my God will help me and I will be there. So it got worse and worse and worse, and the flood came and he died. So in heaven, he asked that God, why did you save me? God said, I sent two times. The ones I sent two times to help you, but you were not there to accept that. So sometimes God sends many things, but we do not accept it because we are waiting for the great miracle that God will do it. But God is using his people as an instrument. Okay. So remember this thing in your mind that God is doing his work. Okay. Just believing in God, it's not okay. But just see and that God is doing small works and just just be the testimony of that. Okay. So this is the word of God for today. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayonara. Yes, Hannah.
Sir, since I'm not going to be at home for the next 2 weeks, I need to print the chapter. So could you give me the name of the chapter?
Okay. I'll send the message. Let me check it. So for the 2 weeks, you will not attend the class also?
No,
You will
I will
attend.
attend the class as much as I can, but some days when we are traveling or we are out, I might not be able to.
Okay. By the way, I'm giving holiday also.
Yeah, so at the end of our holiday, your holiday is going to start.
Yeah, that's true. I guess I am. Let me check the holidays, which I'm giving it to you. Holidays will be from 30, 31, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so these 5 days will be the holiday. Okay, then from Monday we will start it. Understood?
Which day, sir?
Ezekiel. Yeah, I know that. I know that he will ask again. He marked the calendar holiday like this. I know. Ezekiel. I know. Okay. So it will be 30, 31, and 1. Basically, I am giving 3 days holidays and 2 Saturday, Sunday are the holiday only. So these are the holiday time. You can enjoy. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off.